Hi, and welcome to Sallie Tomato. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install our new lightweight flex frames. This type of closure hardware stays closed, but is so easy to open because of the hinged ends to access the inside of a bag. It's great for a flat, discreet closure and perfect for our kitty pattern, which is a clutch with a casing at the top. Here are a few tips to install the flex frame hardware. You'll find pliers or a flathead screwdriver helpful for the installation. In the packaging, you'll find the flex frame connected at one hinge end, and in a separate small bag, there's a very small single pin, so keep that close by. If you notice that the flex frame edges are exceptionally sharp, you can simply cover them with masking tape, electrical tape, I'm using a bit of washi tape here, or strips of fusible interfacing. Another option is to add fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the casing pieces of your project before attaching them. The casing of the bag I'm using in this demo is interfaced already, so let's install the lightweight flex frame. Slide the unattached flex frame ends into the bag casing simultaneously. Take your time as you're doing this step. Then fit the unhinged ends together and bend the bottom tab in place with a pliers or screwdriver. This will keep the pin from sliding through the hinge. Now insert the pin from the top and bend that top tab over, covering and securing the pin inside the hinge. Your flex frame is installed. Thanks for watching this Sallie Tomato hardware tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know by commenting below. Have a great making day!